Hey guys, welcome back to Afro Franco TV beauty and fashion segment. So today I'll be teaching you how to achieve a very simple makeup look, and these are the products that we are going to be using. So first I'll be sorting out my products. These are the brushes I'm going to be using, and a moisturizer for the face, lip gloss and blush, MAC foundation, as well as compact powder. This is a finishing spray, and then a primer, and then the eyeshadow palette. Also pencils and eyeliner. So this is the pretty model that we'll be using today. Here I'm just showing you the raw face of the model, and we are going to get into the video in a jiffy. So first of all, I'm going to wipe her face to make sure that all the dirt on her face is gone. And then if you're doing this, make sure you wipe thoroughly to get all the dirt off, to leave a very clean face. Secondly, I'm going to be using this glow spray to make the face more tender. It actually helps bring out the makeup more. Most people use it as a finishing spray, but I like to start with it. So here I'm going to be drawing the brows, just laying the brows out with a normal pencil. This pencil is actually easy to get everywhere. It's on the market and very cheap too. I'm just adding a different shade of a pencil to give it a more natural look. So here I'm just going to brush the eyebrow out just to make it more unified. So here I'm going to be using these two foundations, Revlon and MAC, as my concealer. I'm going to be mixing both. Most people would buy a concealer, but I feel what a concealer can do, these two foundations can do as well, so I'll go for this. So I just mix both to give it a more natural look. I'm just going to go ahead and then define my brows. I mean, the brows of the model. I'm just concealing it. And I also like to extend the concealer to other parts of the face as well. And here I'm on the other brow, trying to blend the concealer out. So here I'm using this blending pad to blend all the concealer on the face out. Just make sure that everything is blended out really well. So here I'm just trying to fade the brows to give it a more natural look. Just trying to fade the frontage of the brow to give it a more natural look, and I'm doing this with a concealer brush. And then after, I'm just brushing everything out. So here I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette for the eyeshadow, a very nude color for the eyeshadow because you're trying to achieve a very natural and simple look. So I'm using this color from this palette that I got from Primark. I don't know, it's on the market maybe. And I'm just blending everything out as well. And here I'm going on with this bronzer. I've actually had this bronzer for a very long time, and this is just to brighten the eyeshadow, just give it that glow, a little more glow. And I'm going on with a darker shade of the eyeshadow just to mark the crease, just define the crease a little bit. Now moving on with my eyeliner. So I'm going on with this primer. I'm going to be using it as a base before my foundation. Now I'm moving on to the foundation, and I'm using this foundation from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using this all over the face. And I really do love this foundation because it's very thick. It's thick and then it works really well for me. And you want to make sure that you blend everything out thoroughly. You have to make sure that every part of the face has the foundation. Make sure you blend beneath the eyes to give it a more unified look. And don't forget to apply the foundation around your neck as well to give it the same look as the face. Most people do not care, but it's really necessary that your makeup matches your body. Still making sure that everything is blended out really well. Next, I'm going to apply this compact powder from MAC Cosmetics. And you want to make sure that you're applying this powder on every part of the face as well. Extend it to wherever you have the foundation. You have to make sure the powder covers that part as well. Now I'm going to going on with the finishing powder. Most people use benai, but this is just a normal powder that I got from the store, and this is going to set everything right. For a simple and normal makeup, some people would prefer just using the compact powder, but I feel this one gives it a more defined look. Now I'm going to go on with my mascara just to define the brows, the eyelashes a little bit. And the easiest way to apply a mascara is to close your eyes so that you don't end up staining everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and then use this eyeliner to define the eyes a little bit, because without it, it makes the eyes look too dry and pale. And normally the eyeliner gives the eyes a more piercing and nice look. Now I'm moving on with my lip liner. I'm using a normal pencil, a normal brow pencil to line the lips. It's actually good enough, just like a lip liner. And I'm going on with my lipstick, a very nude lipstick to give it a natural look. So here I'm just using a brush to blend the lipstick out. And I'm just going over with the liner just to define the lips a little bit. Now I'm going on with the lip gloss. This is actually optional, but I like the glossy look, so I normally use the lip gloss for every simple makeup. Now I'm going to go on with the bronzer, and this is actually optional as well, but I like it because it gives the face that glow. Most people would choose to go without it for a normal makeup everyday look, but I love the bronzer so much. And for the makeup, that's all. I am just straightening the hair for a complete beautiful look. And if you're thinking of where to get this hot comb, I bought it online from AliExpress, so you can also search and buy yours from there. So that'll be all today. This is the complete makeup look, everyday makeup look. Beautiful and simple. Doesn't take too long to have this look. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.